We're nailing these strings. We're going to show you some techniques here so you can really throw some really high intensity stuff at these strings and get multi-lines or single lines. Here's a couple of really nice tricks. Watch and learn. I'm going to call this single string because it's going to print everything on a single line. Single string equals, double quotes, the rain in Spain fall mainly, now watch, I've got a backslash here, and then on the next line I say in the plain. Print single string, and it's all going to be on one line. It's the backslash. That is what turns the variable single string into a single line. Now, we've seen this before, but let's remember, I can use 3 single quotes or 3 double quotes. 2 rows is going to equal 3 double quotes. How come you always act like you are above me? 3 double quotes. Again, I could have had 3 single quotes and 3 single quotes, and now this is going to print this like it is on 2 lines. And look at this next one. Sometimes you've got long verbiage and you want it on a single line, but you can't necessarily type it out that way. So here's what we're going to do. Parens equal, notice I put my parens there. Now my double quote, watch what happens, space, double quote. Then more double quote, when I put 3 string rows, space, double quote, inside parentheses, double quote, close paren. Everything inside the parens is going to be a single line. Print parens, it all comes out in a single line.
This lesson brought to you by Coffing Data Warehousing. If you have questions, we have answers. Check out coffingdw.com for some great offers on our training books. Unleash the genius within.